Welcome to the Tshwane University of Technology. TUT is one of the only university with an active clinical engineering program. What we're having today is coming together to develop a curriculum for a short learning program for medical equipment maintenance that we can roll out as a short course. My name is Timothy Anton Okai. I'm a clinical engineer and lecturer and researcher, and I'm the leader of the cluster group for clinical engineering here at the Tshwane University of Technology. This pandemic has actually highlighted the need for clinical engineering and clinical engineers as a support staff to assist in the maintenance of medical equipment in hospitals and clinics. And over the past almost 2 years, there has been different initiatives to not only step up issues around innovation and maintenance of medical equipment, but also the training of more clinical engineering technicians to bridge the gap in terms of shortage of maintenance staff. And so what we're doing these 2 days is actually to help develop a curriculum for a short learning program for clinical engineering technicians. We call them medical equipment maintenance. What we are actually hoping to achieve in these 2 days is to have a curriculum ready at the end of the program so that we can organize and arrange a short learning program for about 2 weeks in the near future. And that is why we are here. Why is there a shortage in skilled clinical engineering technicians? First of all, very few people know about the field of clinical engineering. They know about medicine, nursing, electrical engineering, power, electronics, but very few know about clinical engineering. That's one. And so when we have students coming into the university, they choose other streams of engineering, digital systems, electronics, and so on. Until later, some of them discover clinical engineering and they make the switch. So that's one. So we always have very few students, average of 15, 20. And so we are never able to meet the demand out there in the market for the 9 provinces in South Africa, all the hospitals and clinics and medical equipment companies. So we do our best, but we are not able to meet the demand, which is why we also need this kind of bridging course or a short learning program so that more technicians can be trained to meet the need out there in the market. Thank you.